Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can do addition, multiplication, division and subtraction in Google spreadsheet. So here I already took some data. I took salary for January to December, and these are the numbers, and I'm going to add all these numbers, and this can be done manually by, so you just start with equal. Whenever there will be an mathematical operation, you start with equal, and then the numbers you would like to add, you just choose those numbers by clicking, and then give the plus sign, and then again clicking the other number you would like to add with, give plus sign, and then continue until the last number. So I just finished that one. So I add the last number and the operation is done. And all the numbers is added here, and this is the result. And this result you can find using a operator. You go here and come here and find out the function and look at the function sum. And in between these brackets, you can give it the range. You can drag and fill the range with, and here you can see, these two numbers is not similar, even though they have taken the summation for the same numbers. That means somewhere there is a mistake. And if we just look at here, it didn't take C13. So if we just add C13 here and press enter, and now these two numbers are same. So this way you can add as many numbers as you want. In first cases you choose them separately, and in second cases you just give them using a function, give the range. And now I'm showing you how you can subtract. In the similar way, you use the minus sign and take the first number and bring the minus sign and take the second number. And this is the subtracted amount of these two numbers. And if you would like to multiply these two numbers, we always start with the equal sign and go here, click here, bring the multiplication sign, and then give the second number and then enter. And this is the multiplication of these two numbers. And for division is the same. You go here and take the division sign and come here, choose the second number, enter, and this is the divided number. So when the numbers are big, it is hard to really understand if the operation is correct or not. To understand it's correct or not, you just start with small number. So I give 4 the first one and giving 2 the second one. Now you can see that the division is 4 by 2. We know it is 2, and here you can see 2. And also here we multiplied these two numbers, so 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and here you can see 8, and that means our operation is correct. Now you can increase this number knowing that the operation is correct. Thanks for watching.